How you going, everybody? Back for another one. 31st. Nice. Thank you, everybody. That obviously I did a 30-day thing yesterday, but thank you, everybody, who's been watching and subscribing, and welcome. This was a video I did yesterday, and the GoPro failed again. I'm actually wondering. I know that because I got a Insta360. I know that did come up with a heat warning, but the GoPro I think might be just dying, and it's just, I don't know if it's that or if the cards, there's a problem with the cards, but I'm going to have a look at it, and I am running it off direct power, so maybe it's not liking that, so I might see if I can find the batteries for it and charge them up and see if I can get it going, because otherwise I'm going to have to replace that. What you're actually seeing is the only footage I got out of it. It lasted a minute and then just switched off. So unfortunately it destroyed that part of the video, which lucky enough I recorded the big part on a different camera under the scope. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to that part, I'm just going to play some music over the top of it, and then you can have a watch of the teardown of the thing, of the board, and then at the end of it I will run you through a final sort of conclusion on the whole thing. So here we go, and enjoy the video. See you in a few minutes. Wait. Okay, I hope it was a good movie. Gotta stop saying arms. Everybody needs to tell me. No, don't tell me. I know I needed to stop. I'll try and stop. So what actually happened to the screen was, I don't know if you can see here this little bubble here. So it started there. This is actually my wife's phone. So the bubble kind of started, it was just on the edge, a little white bit, and then slowly the white bit came across. We just thought it was a screen protector lifting, because I've changed the screen protector a few times on this, but it's not. So I don't know, just because they have an embedded one, don't they? So there's the screen protector there. So you can kind of, I don't know if you can see it, kind of see where it's just given up. So pretty disgraceful. It's a 2-year-old phone, and she's very careful with it. Don't get me wrong, she's dropped it a few times and stuff, but overall, that's just, I think that appears to be just a wear and tear issue. But they do have a 2-year warranty on them, but we weren't going to mess around because they charge you to send it off. I believe they charge you to send it off. Somebody else can quote me if I'm wrong. And it's been in a case its whole life, so it's got the screen protector in the case. Now with these, obviously, unfortunately, they are crazy expensive to repair. The screen for these, so it's all been reset now. The screen for these are our cost in Australia or my cost in Australia for a service part, which means it's original Samsung, is $420. It doesn't include the 2 back screens. It literally is just the frame, so the housing, but what you see there. So that assembly there is your housing assembly. So I won't say they're actually too bad to pull apart. I thought it'd be worse. You can still see that they have a bump in them, like from new. I mean, they are what they are. She loves them. She loves the flips because they're a bit more smaller. She can chuck them in her pocket, and she sits there when she's watching YouTube. She has it flipped up. So it's her favourite phone. We just got her a 7, which that one's a 5. They had them on special at the time, so it kind of worked out okay anyway. But she uses it for work. I'm not going to mess around with phones. I said to her I could go and get a screen, but for me to go and get a screen, it's 3 hours to get there and get back. Or we just go and get you another one and I'll fix it, make a good video out of it for everybody, and we'll chuck it on Facebook, and hopefully I'll get $500 or $600 for it, as long as I get my money back. So I've just got to get $420 basically, and then I'm free from whatever it cost me. But hopefully I can make some money out of it. I'll let you know, because I'm actually going to, once I finish the video, I'm actually going to chuck it up there for $600 and make an offer sort of thing. If anybody makes any offers over 500, they can have it. So if anybody's looking for one and they see this video, it might still be up there. I'm in Gippsland area, so as long as you're willing to travel to Gippsland, you can have it. And I'm not posting it. I'm not taking that chance. Actually, it might be a bad thing. Post it, put insurance on it, and if they say it got broken in the post, just claim it. So I digress. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope it was okay. I'm just trying to make the best out of a bad situation. And lucky enough, I had that teardown under the camera, so hopefully it made sense. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I thought the close-up might actually be quite good, because then everybody can kind of see where the screws come and go and flexes and all that, so it could be a good reference video for that. If anybody really wants to see the full teardown, as far as I X8 it, so it went for a lot longer. I've never done one before, so I was trying to do it right and not have any issues. So all went well, and those small flexes when you're trying to tear them off can break quite easily, so you've got to try and be careful with that. Heat pad, once again, I can't break it. I did everything on the heat pad as far as relieving all the glue and the batteries and all that stuff, which you didn't get to see because the content got destroyed. But I digress. Very happy with the way it went, very happy with the way it looks, and let's see if we sell it before the next video. All luck, you never know. Have a great afternoon, great night, great morning, whatever it is in your area, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another one. Till next time, bye.